International Day of Conscience, 5th April. What is International Day of Conscience? The preamble for the Universal Declaration of Human Rights states that disregard and contempt for human rights have resulted in barbarous acts which have outraged the concerns of humankind, and the advent of a world in which human beings shall enjoy freedom of speech and belief and freedom from fear, and what has been proclaimed as the highest aspiration of the common people. Moreover, Article 1 of the Declaration states that all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights and endowed with reason and conscience, and should act towards one another in a spirit of brotherhood. The task of the United Nations to save future generations from the scourge of war requires transformation towards a culture of peace which consists of values, attitudes, and behaviors that reflect and inspire social interaction and sharing based on the principle of freedom, justice, democracy, all human rights, tolerance, and solidarity. That rejects violence and endeavor to prevent conflicts by tackling their root causes, to solve problems through dialogue and negotiation, and that guarantee the full exercise of all rights and the means to participate full in the development processes of their society. Conscience of the need for the creation of conditions of stability and well-being and peaceful and friendly relations based on respect for human rights and fundamental freedom for all without distinction as to race, sex, language, or religion. The General Assembly declared 5th April the International Day of Conscience. The General Assembly invited all member states, organizations of the United Nations system and other international and regional organizations, as well as the private sector, the civil society, including non-governmental organizations, and to build the culture of peace with love and conscience in accordance with the culture and other appropriate circumstances or customs of their local, national, and regional communities, including through quality education and public awareness raising activities, thereby fostering sustainable development. Thank you. Have a happy International Day of Conscience